Wow, Bitcoin is totally getting its pump on, guys. And you can see right now on the chart, we are coming up much higher than the previous weekly high. This is very, very bullish in my opinion. It looks like what I've been looking for all week may very well be happening. And I am still holding the long trades, guys. Right now, on Bitcoin, the setup I gave in advance over in my VIP Discord from $16,300. I'm going to be talking about exactly what I am looking for, the levels we need to be cautious of, and where I think all this is going. So make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, make sure to click the bell for notifications, guys, because this is the juiciest TA that you will find on YouTube. If you want to join the community, guys, where we post the trade setups every single day, the trading levels every single day, multiple live streams every single week, you can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper to join the thriving community. So Bitcoin right now is breaking out of this very key resistance, the last weekly high. Why is this so significant? Because for the first time since November 11th, Bitcoin is making a higher high on the weekly time frame. Here is what I really want to happen in the next 2 days. I want to see a weekly candle close above the previous weekly high. Because in my opinion, what this will do, if we can close a weekly candle above 21,468, this will now confirm an uptrend. We have switched market structure on the weekly time frame, and in my opinion, market structure is king. In addition, guys, we're currently right now breaking out of this very important trend line right here with a technical target of $30,000. Now, we are not out of the woods yet because there is a key area of resistance that we need to be very, very aware of, and that is this right here. Okay, if we take a look at all the price action that Bitcoin has traded since June, let me go to our daily time frame so that we can see this a little bit more clearly. If we take a look at all the price action that Bitcoin has traded since June, we can see two things, okay? We have been trading in this sideways range here since June with prices between $18K and about $23,000. Those are highs and lows. The way price action works, guys, is the market is always trying to find equilibrium, which means it will establish an area or a range where the price is considered to be fair value. And when price comes to the top of that range, it will come back down to the bottom of that range. When it comes down to the bottom of the range, it will come back to the top of that range. Now, if we lose a sideways range to the downside, we will then form another sideways range right down here, which is why I gave the long setup from right down here at 16,300, because it was simply coming down to the bottom of a sideways range, okay? But if the price breaks out of a range and comes back into a previous range, it becomes very probable that we fill the range all the way back up to the high of that fair value area. I've been saying this literally now since Bitcoin started to pump from $16,000. So I'm getting very, very excited, but we are not out of the woods until we can come above this level. Now, there's two very important levels here. Number one, the 618 Fibonacci. Why is that so important? Because the 618 Fibonacci, guys, is a woman, and her name is 6Juanita. Okay, here's a picture of her right here. I thought I had a chance of going out with her on a date. Turns out I was in the friend zone, okay? This is before I wrote my book, Trading in the Friend Zone, okay? She rejected me. We could see the 618 Fibonacci clearly rejected me. And the reason is because on Market Cipher B, we saw the upside down uneven butt cheek pattern. The upside down uneven butt cheek pattern on Market Cipher B is when we see the momentum waves and the money flow on Market Cipher B getting lower as the price is getting higher. Now, as we came up to this 6 Juanita, we have been seeing very, very bullish signs, which is why we're currently breaking out. Now, what we need to be cautious of right now is as we come up to this green box that I currently have on my chart, okay? This is actually going to be where we need to be very careful. If we see the 4 hour starting to make a curve over and this money flow starting to get lower, this could actually be a very harsh rejection, harsher than the time 6 Juanita rejected us, because we will be getting rejected from the 786 Fibonacci level at around 23K, and 786 is 6 Juanita's older sister. She is a much harder chick to deal with. She's a tough one, all right? She can beat you up, and she can beat up your dad. So we really have to watch out for that. But if we can break above this key zone at the top of this key range, then in my opinion, guys, we are going to see a $30,000 Bitcoin. Why? Why a $30,000 Bitcoin? Well, it's because of this. If we take a look at, let's go to the weekly time frame, we can see that the Bitcoin price currently right now is forming this very bullish wedge pattern. Boom. Okay. This falling wedge pattern is a bullish pattern with a target of $30,000. And this $30,000 target right now is actually going to be a major, major retest support resistance flip going all the way back to the year 2020, right? Now, if we take a look at this just on a higher term time frame here, we can see something very interesting. A lot of people were calling this Bitcoin chart here a massive head and shoulders, right? A massive head and shoulders. And they were taking this target and they were saying Bitcoin is going to zero, right? What is the technical target of this head and shoulder? Let's see. It's something insane, right? It's literally like a as low as Bitcoin can go, right? Well, I don't think Bitcoin's going that low. But look at what's happening right now. We are starting to get a relief rally, and if we do get a move to the upside, it will be a confirmed breakdown of this area of support if we come up for a retest. Now, personally, I don't think that the bear market is over yet. I think we need a relief rally and then a move to the downside. So a move up to 30K, if we start to see on 30K now, continuation of downward momentum here, like on the weekly time frame, a nice trigger wave, that could actually be a massive short that we could use to short down to the actual low of the bear market before starting the next bull cycle. Now, if we go to the monthly time frame, there is something very, very, very interesting. We need to pay attention to this on the chart. Right now, the monthly market Cipher B is printing a green dot below the zero line. The last time that happened was April 2019. What happened in April 2019? Well, that was the relief rally of the previous bear market, okay? And we can see that we came up during the previous bear market, and this is the monthly time frame, right? And we pretty much came up and we didn't hit new all-time highs, but we came pretty dang close to hitting those 20K highs. We came up to about $14,000 Bitcoin. And we're in the same place right now, okay? We're about 250 days away from the Bitcoin halving, just like we were in the last bear market, and we're printing that green dot on the monthly market Cipher B. So what I'm kind of expecting, guys, is the next few months, potentially, if we can break above that 23K level, a relief rally, maybe coming up to retest the $30,000 to $36,000 level before getting a rejection and then putting in our actual bottom into the halving, and then the real bull market begins. So guys, these are very, very exciting times. If you want to learn how to trade this way, guys, check out the course at jasoncaspertrading.com. This will teach you everything you need to know to come to the charts with a plan in advance so you can make a plan like this and then trade it and really make a lot of profit on these trades, guys. Also, ByBit is currently offering 0% limit fees if you use my affiliate link. This is actually a good deal for those of you who are into trading, because the limit fees, especially if you're scalping, they can eat up a lot of your profits. So only if you actually know what you're doing and you want 0% limit fees, go click the link in the description of this video in the pinned comment, and you can get that over on ByBit. That is it for today's video, guys. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to click the bell for notifications. God bless everybody in the name of Jesus the Messiah. I pray everybody is very blessed. I pray everyone has a very good weekend, and I will see everybody in the next video. Peace, y'all.